Good morning. The law of interpretation uh, plays a vital role uh, for Constitution of India, taxes, in every field. Uh, when we were taught law of interpretation, uh, the, the two cases of Justice Krishna J. Iyer was referred. One was ginger, whether ginger was vegetable or medicine, because if it is vegetable perishable, so there was no tax. Which Krishna Jaya discussed in his judgment, stating that he sent his wife to purchase ginger and she went to vegetable market and purchased. And thereafter he was giving lot of, though it is not immediately perishable, but still it is perishable. Then about supari, betel nut. For that also, whether it was a food or it is not food. If it is food, then it is covered under Food Adulteration Act. These two cases were referred, and here similarly another case was discussed. AR 2021 Supreme Court 2582. Commissioner Commercial Tax Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow versus Sujan Rajwan Studio. They say the respondent purchased textile material in bulk, which has then cut into length of a salwar kameez suit for women. The work of sewing, design, embroidery is carried out on the neck portion of the kameez or kurta. No stitching is done on the salwar. The dupatta is subject to peko work. Entry 21 deals with silk fabric, handloom of cloth of all kinds, textiles of several varieties manufactured on power loom, excluding items which were described in the second schedule. This includes cotton fabric of all varieties, rayon, artificial silk fabric, woolen fabric made of a mixture of two or more of the listed fabric, and canvas cloth. It is evident from the work which is carried on by the respondent in its factory that the textile material which is purchased in bulk is to cut to the size of salwar kameez. Evidently, the respondent cuts the textile material which is then subject to the work of embroidery on the neck portion. The textile material which is cut may not assume the character of a final article of apparel which can be worn by the consumer, because the final work of stitching is not carried there. This is done to ensure that the ultimate consumer may get the salwar kameez stitched to their specification and dimension. What is sold is an unstitched suit and not the textile fabric. The important point to note is that as a result of the work which is carried out by the respondent in the factory, the material ceases to be textile within meaning of entry 21 and assumes the character of an article. So this was unstitched textile material cannot be called a textile made up. Entry other textile made up is not residuary entry of Schedule 2 by treating product unclassified item under Schedule 2. So they have discussed about all. Kindly go through this judgment. And I want to share a very sad state of affairs prevailing in the mankind as well as the react of the police officials concentrating on poor issues. Yesterday night, midnight, 12:50 p.m., I heard a sound, hue and cry. Therefore, I immediately woke up and opened my door. I saw a lad about 25 to 30 years, and seeing me, he ran towards east TH Road to reach TH Road. And I also saw a police patrol van was standing just in front of my street end. And then I asked the lady, the lady was very old, about 55 to 60. She told that she was about to be ravished by that lad. Then I showed my hand to the constables to be stationed there. Then after entering back, I wore my mask and reached the patrol personnel and informed that the boy attempt to commit rape on the old lady. But unfortunately, that attending constable told me that, sir, we also inquired that he told that somebody is about to snatch money from him. Whatever it may be, a boy was running hurriedly, and the whole street is visible, and there was none following him. Why they let him go? Thereafter, I came back, I took snap of that old lady, sent messages to Honorable uh, Commissioner of Police, and thereafter they again came. Then I told them, you rescue that lady, at least rehabilitate. See, this is what the reaction of the police. Very sad state of affairs. And another worst state of affair was the womankind behavior with old ladies. And that too, she wore a very ugly dress. Seems to be very old. I leave the God. Today is Adi Amavas. Let my forefathers and all of our forefathers to decide whether this mankind must survive and continue if they are not following basic natural ethics. Best wishes.